Hi guys and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Scram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Also guys, first question I'm going to ask, can you all hear me? Am I audible to you? Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my charts? Can someone reply to that? Okay, Kurt. Thank you so much, guys. Also, guys, just a disclaimer: we're not a buy or sell channel. So, if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place. But if you're here to learn technical analysis and trade these markets with us with our profitable trading strategy, then you're absolutely in the right place. That's exactly what we do. We bank pips from these markets and we convert that into money. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 1% of your capital at any given time with any given trade. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I hope you all are doing well. I've charted these. Nasdaq is very choppy today. um, DAX as usual. It is choppy right now, but it's going to be fine later on as and when we move forward towards market open. We have about 12 minutes to market open. Charted gold and GBP USD both. For the people who want to trade gold, you all can trade that. But the people who want to trade GBP USD, like I was saying yesterday, that it is more stable and the way it moves, it's slower than gold, you all can try this. Okay. For DAX, guys, you could have started with the buys from here only, but at that time I was doing the top down, so I could not join and I could not share it with you guys. But for Nasdaq, wait, guys, all of this is chop. All of this that you're seeing on the screen is chop. It's trading sideways. Also, we're trying to make some pattern. If we are, we're trying to do something like that and push up. But before that, I would like you all to wait for us to cross supply zone. Before that, if you want to get into smaller positions, you can do that. If you want to get into feelers or something like that, you can absolutely go ahead and do that. But no bigger positions before we break our supply or demand zone, right? It's clear to you all? And for gold as well. Okay, guys, we're trying to move up to 50. So for gold, maybe for market open, we could push up to a supply zone and then fall down. Okay. Let's see what GBP USD is trying to do. GBP USD is trying to go down. We are having some sort of pressure over here. Here are some buyers. We're trying to push up to maybe 50. So we're trying to maybe make some sort of pattern, double bottom, to push up to a supply zone. And then obviously the bigger buyers will be up there. When I say the bigger buyers, I mean the smoother buyers, the smoother positions. Okay. Okay, guys, good morning. Good morning here in C. Yes, good morning, guys. Good morning. Hello. Hello, MS. No voice? Can you all hear me? You all can hear me, right? Okay, perfect. Is anyone in on anything? Are you all trading anything? Is anyone trading anything, guys? GU, you can start layering your positions from 1H resistance, guys. Okay, I forgot to put the boxes for you. I'm so sorry. Let me do that. So for GU, if you want to start, you can start layering your positions from here itself and take it to your supply zone, okay, to your 4H resistance. But obviously the bigger break will be above here, above our supply zone, okay. For sells, obviously, we have to go down. It's just 1 second. For this, we have to go down. Okay. And your stop loss, guys. Don't be trading without stop loss. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. Okay. Keep a check on GU. GU moves beautifully for London market open. So does DAX. Okay. Nasdaq, I don't know. Nasdaq has some volume, but I don't know if you're going to get for market open. But look at German 30, guys. Okay. Our buys are going to be above our clean, smooth buys, guys, over here. Okay. Above our supply zone, above our 4H resistance. These are clean buys. Okay. But if you want to start again, If you want to start layering your positions with your feelers or anything that's smaller than a feeler also for you, you can start from 15-minute resistance. Okay, you can start layering your positions from there. And for sells, you all know that we need to break our demand zone and then fall down. Okay, seems like we want to fall down, but we have been oversold quite a lot on gold and GBP USD. Sorry, I was looking at GBP USD. So let's see what kind of move we want to get over here. Okay, German 30 also looks like we want to go down, but we could move up for market open and go for our buys. Okay. You all need to understand that for London, the markets are still gearing up. They're still releasing some little volume in these markets. So when we start with Tokyo session, they release some volume. There are some people who are trading. There's some institutions who are putting in money. But for London, there are a little more people because there's little more volume. And New York has the best volume, guys. Okay, maybe if we go down and break this, we could go down and fill this wick. Okay. And for Nasdaq, simple, guys. I am not looking at Nasdaq right now to trade. I really am not. If I see after market open I get some volume in this, maybe I will. But Nasdaq has not been doing too well for London, guys. So I'm really just staying away from it for London. I only trade Nasdaq. You all know that. I don't trade anything else. But for London market open, DAX moves beautifully. And since I'm trading with you all, I get enticed to get into trades, guys. Okay, even though the demand zone is here, guys, I would still ask you all to break this area also. Let the candles break 4H resistance as well. This whole of this is demand zone, but this is more chop over here. But we can start with our buys. See, we are getting rejected from our demand zone. Now, if we keep getting rejected and try to move up, you can start clearing your positions till supply zone, till our supply zone, which is also 4H resistance, and then further move up with bigger positions. Okay, but you see all of this chop, all of this chop. Wait, guys. If we break this, this will be a good break of structure. Yeah, we trade break of structure, guys. If we trade this, this will be a good break of structure, and we go down. But if we move up, we are catching some support from our demand zone. If we don't break this and we keep moving upward, then you can start layering your positions to your supply zone. Okay, one-on-ones, you all know how it works. You all know what kind of patterns these markets are trying to make and how they're changing, and according to that, how you all can put your positions, right? So let's wait for that. We have about 6 minutes to market open, guys. Look at GBP USD. Like I told you all, we're trying to make some sort of pattern over here, right? One-on-ones, what sort of pattern are we trying to make? On GU, okay, for now it looks like a double bottom to me. Yes, it looks like a double bottom to me right now. But then you know how these markets, they keep changing position. Like you all can see, if someone is saying that it's an inverse head and shoulders, we need to wait and watch because we're still not breaking this 1H resistance. For us to do that, we need to go up. Like how this is a shoulder over here on the left, we need to make other one over here and then push up and then break our supply zone. Okay, but for now it looks like a W to me, which is also a double bottom. Good job, guys. Good job. Okay, but these patterns are always changing, right? Double bottom is becoming an inverse head and shoulders is becoming head and shoulders is becoming double top. All of that, it's changing. All of them, they're just changing and becoming each other. So yeah, we have to be extremely careful. If you're trading these patterns, like Cram has taught you all, for the one-on-ones, I'm talking to you all know how to trade these patterns. So if you're trading these patterns before the move happens, only with feelers. You know your risk management, right? I'm sure Cram must have shared the risk management with you for your individual accounts, whatever that you're trading. So with that, you all need to be really careful. Okay? I learned the hard way on that one. Guys, these markets, they're not here to give us money. They don't owe us anything, right? This is what Cram also keeps saying. They don't owe us anything. We're fortunate that we've cracked this this skill, that we're able to make some money in these markets. But these markets are not meant for us, for traders like us, to make money. You all need to realize that, Okay, this is for big institution, governments, the countries, the currencies to move forward and make decisions on the base of that. And then, it's for them to make money. It's not for us. But still, because we have learned it and we're practicing it really hard, don't lose your money. That's what I'm coming to. Don't lose your money. Don't do that. See, we're going down. We're trying to touch our demand zone on GBP USD. Okay, maybe we're trying to make some pattern. We're trying to complete this pattern. But look at this gold, guys. This is really, really, really choppy. I'm not looking at it. Look at NASDAQ. We're breaking our demand zone. We're going down. For NASDAQ, I think the short position for me, if I were in, would be from here. Okay? Because see here, these two engulfing candles try to close over here and they got support over here. So there has to be something. There has to be some buyers that are sitting over here in this area that we're not able to push down. But wait, look at NASDAQ, guys. Okay, let's see if we break it, but be very, very careful. We have about 2 minutes to market open. Okay, NASDAQ is trying, so is DAX. But it could just be a liquidity grab, guys. It could just be that. So be very, very, very careful. Okay? Just give me a second, guys. I'm looking at my MetaTrader. Actually, NASDAQ has volume. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. That's just an impulse, though. If you're in, yeah, it could be a fake out, Kurt. It could be a fake out. It's an impulse. If you've taken this, only and only and only feelers. We don't have that much time. We're really, really close to market open. Look at DAX. We're catching support from our demand zone. It tells you something. Okay, it tells you something. NASDAQ, okay, we're getting some support over here. If we break this, we could push down to a daily support. No problem. Okay? Be extremely careful. About a minute to market open, guys. I am going to look at... Okay. Is anyone in on anything? Y'all shouldn't be in on anything at this point. On DAX, we're catching support from our demand zone. Also, the RSI is at around 36. We could move up also because we already had gone oversold before this. Okay. Okay, market open, guys. This is 12:30. We're catching support from our demand zone. Guys, also the buys, if you want, you can start clearing your positions from here on DAX. And then obviously to... Okay? Wait for these candles to close. Okay? There is some news that came for UR, which is low impact news, so it's not going to affect us too much. Okay? Be careful, guys. This is market open. We can wait for another 5 minutes to get into these trades. There is no harm, okay? I'm looking at DAX, guys. Okay? I have a small feeler that's running on DAX. This is just an impulse at this point. If anyone is trying to trade DAX, it could be a fake out as well. Okay, we're catching support from here. Let's see. Okay, NASDAQ is also trying, guys. We've closed within our green box. This is still an indecisive candle. This is a candle which is indecisive. Look at that, guys. DAX is trying. Let's see the kind of move that we can get. The RSI is also at 33. Maybe we could go down to 30, catch support from the RSI and then move up. Something like that also could happen. That's why you don't need to put big positions in these markets. These markets will take everything from you. And you won't even realize it. Okay? Nothing much, guys. Look at this, GBP USD. Nothing much is happening. We don't have that much volume. Sorry guys, Cram has OCD. He wanted me to fix the candles and the boxes, so I was doing that. I'm sorry about that. Okay, look at this, how we caught support from our demand zone. Okay, this is just a fake out on DAX. GBP USD also, not a lot of movement. Let's wait. Let's wait for this candle to close, guys. We still have about 3 minutes for this candle to close. This is chop, guys. Don't trade gold right now. Please don't. But gold buys, if you want to start, you can start from here. Okay. This is chop, but small positions you can start layering from here, okay? Nothing big, small. Obviously, bigger positions will be above our supply zone, which is also very choppy. Happens to be daily resistance. Gold doesn't look good to me, guys, right now. As of now, gold doesn't look good to me, but look at GBP USD. Look at this. This is stupid. This is what always happens. It will give us moves, but we'll need to wait for some time. Okay? Nasty? Okay, we're trying on Nasdaq. That's a good rejection on Nasdaq. We still have about a minute to close, for this candle to close. Then let's see what kind of movement we get. Look at DAX also, guys. I don't know, they're just playing push and pull with us. That's what they're trying to do. It's okay. We don't need to rush. We don't need to get into bigger positions. We don't need to do anything of that sort. We're going to be patient in these markets because that's what London teaches us. And also these markets, they teach us to be patient and disciplined. That's what disciplined, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to wait for these setups to play out. If you had gotten on a sell on this bigger position over here or over here, this would have been bad for you, right? Okay, DAX is pushing up. We're trying to make something on DAX. What are we trying to do, guys? We have about 10 minutes for this candle to close, and after that, let's see the kind of movement that we're going to get in these markets. Seems like we're going to go push up a little bit for some time and then fall down if we want to. But for now, it doesn't look like that. Watching, guys. I had a feeler that was running. My stop loss is somewhere around here, 15-minute resistance. I don't care if I lose that feeler. It really doesn't matter to me. It's not a lot of money. Just $1 a pip. Really doesn't matter to me, guys. But look at that. DAX is trying again. We're trying to break our demand zone. So is Nasdaq, guys. Chop, guys. Gold is the worst right now that I see. It legit is. It's the worst right now. Okay, GBP gold is trying, guys. We're in our box. Again, we have some resistance over here. We break this. You can start layering your small positions on this. Okay, other than that, nothing much is happening, guys. Let's wait for another 5 minutes and see what kind of movement that we're going to get in these markets. Okay, but this candle, we're trying to push up. And so is Nasdaq, but there is a demand zone which has become a supply zone now. Maybe we'll get some sellers from over here and push down. Okay? This is the kind of movement that I don't like to trade. This is the kind of movement that takes away our profits. And I don't like that. So let's wait. See, this is good rejection on DAX. But again, we have 3.5 minutes on this candle. They're just playing push and pull, push and pull. That's what they're trying to do. For Nasdaq also, if you want to get into buys, could be above our supply zone, which is our supply zone right now. This is not demand anymore. This is supply. So above this, you can start layering your positions to your supply zone and this, and then bigger positions above our 4-8 resistance. Okay. From here, you can start layering your positions, and then bigger position is here. Okay, guys. DAX is trying. Let's see. Let's see what we have here. Just This is also an impulse. Okay, we're pushing up. Okay. Is anyone trading anything at this point? Y'all shouldn't be. Only feelers at this point. Okay, look at DAX, guys. We're moving up to our supply zone. Is anyone trading DAX? German Corolla? Good. I'm glad y'all are learning DAX. I'm glad y'all are trading DAX. A lot of y'all are trading DAX. This is amazing. I told you all on the first session itself that German 30 is going to be the instrument that you all will trade for London Market Open because it moves really, really, really well. Guys, I'm running. Okay. I put smaller positions on this. Let's wait. Okay. Smaller positions at this time, guys. Nothing bigger, okay? Look at NASDAQ. Look at DAX, guys. We're trying to push up. We have to break the supply zone. If we break this, we're going up to our daily resistance, guys. Let's see. We need volume. DAX, come on, push. We need volume on DAX. Up by 10 pips. Put it on break-even 0. Okay, I'm running about 3,000 on DAX, guys. 3,300. I want to liquidate my position, guys. Wait. I'm going to liquidate my position. Okay, guys, after liquidating also, I'm running about 2,500, guys. This is amazing. Okay, I'm going to liquidate 2,700. Oh my god, this is beautiful and it's pushing up, guys. Who's banking on this with me after leaving my position also? I'm still running about $1,200 and I'm going to put it on break even so I don't lose anything. Okay, let's see. DAX is still trying to push up, guys. Okay? DAX is still, and I'm running, 1900, 2400, guys, 2600 on this position. Oh my god, we need to push up. I have to put this on break even because I don't want to lose anything whatever that I made, but this is beautiful, guys. Look at DAX. Look at DAX, guys. This is amazing. This is beautiful. I love it. DAX, you need to push up. Let's see. Okay, the RSI is at 64, pushing up, trying to touch 70. Nice W for me, Kurt. Congratulations. 2,400 for me, guys. 2,900. Come on, who's banking on this, guys? This is amazing. I love DAX. I really love DAX. This is amazing. Okay, guys, I'm going to start liquidating my position. I don't want to lose anything else. Beautiful, guys. It's still moving up. The positions that I've left running are also giving me about $800 at this point. $1,000, $1,100. The positions that are left running, $1,100. Looks like we're pushing up. Who is banking on this, guys? Come on, I know you all trade DAX with me. You all love DAX. Look at that, guys. We're pushing up. We're pushing up, going up to touch our daily resistance on DAX. This is amazing, guys. Beautiful. Look at GBP USD as well, guys. I told you all we're making a W, we're making a double bottom, and we're pushing up, and that's exactly what we're trying to do. But for that zone, it's just an impulse that has entered, so just be very careful. We have some resistance over here in this area. I am out of DAX. Okay? Everything is moving, guys. Look at gold. Gold is also moving up. Is anyone trading gold? I know some of you all love to trade gold. That's why I've put gold for you guys over here. Look at German 30, guys. Bang on. This was the move, guys. German 30. Beautiful move. Loved it. Waiting for close? That's good, Kurt. Cram will be happy to hear that. He's teaching you all so hard. Some people just don't understand how to make money, but I'm so glad whoever is joining our sessions every day and sitting with us and joining our one-on-ones and learning. And for that, guys, is anyone new over here? If anyone is new over here, This is how we trade. We're scalpers. We scalp these markets. We trade London Market Open and New York Market Open. We have our own strategy that we've built over so many years, 7 years, and this is where we are. This is what we do. And if you want to learn these markets, and if you want to learn how we trade these markets and how we make our pips, then obviously join our live sessions every day. And other than that, we have one-on-ones. Kram, he is the best teacher out there. Anyone would vouch for that. I'm his wife. I'm only not going to say he's the best, but there are other people out there, 150 people under his mentorship program, and everyone says that he's the best teacher out there for Forex trading. If you want to go ahead and learn from him, then we have one-on-one mentorship program where we have different sessions for 1 session, 5 session, 3 session, and all of that, depending upon where you are in your trading journey. He tailor makes the sessions for you, and he starts from there. So if for that you want to join that, you want to join the one-on-ones, please go ahead and message CashFX on Discord, and I will take care of that. Okay? He is the best. Yes, he's the best teacher, guys. He's taught me. Without him, I wouldn't have done this. The kind of money that I'm making, I wouldn't have done this. He's the best teacher out there. And if you want to learn, I mean, I don't know how this guy does it, guys. Trust me. But I have tried learning from so many people. Nothing works for me. And there are so many people over here um, on Forex with us who have been trading for like 15 years, 10 years, but before that they were not profitable or they were not able to make that much money. But with Kram teaching them and us teaching them, him teaching them our profitable strategy, they're able to remove so much of profit. I'm not going to disclose numbers, I'm not going to disclose the names, but those people are profitable traders now. So, guys, absolutely go for it. These sessions are like really, really, really undervalued. That's what I keep telling Cramp. But he believes in giving education. He believes in giving knowledge. He believes in teaching people about these markets because he doesn't believe that you need to gamble your money in these markets. This is not gambling. People think this is gambling, but this is not. In front of you all, we make money every day, and you all are making money every day. And all of that has been possible. All of that is possible for me, at least. I can vouch for that because of this man Cram. He taught me everything that is there to learn about trading. And yeah, I'm profitable now. I'm teaching you guys now. So this is amazing, guys. For one-on-ones, if you all want to go ahead and join one-on-ones, or if you want to know how we go about it, just go ahead and message me. And if you want to know, there are tons and tons of people. Just put up a message on the open chat who all are students of Cram, and I'm sure 150 people are going to message and say that yes, he's our teacher and we are his students, and he's the best out there. Okay, guys, look at that look at GBP USD. I hope you all are out of this trade. I told you all they could be, they would just like, they keep changing the patterns. They will try to make something else, but then it will be something else altogether. I have made what I wanted to make, guys. Okay? I made what I, look at German 30, guys. We're still pushing up. I said it before, but one session changed my trading life. Great teachers out there. He's the best, yes. Cram's the best, yes. Cash also, Cash is learned from Crab. So yeah, the little bit of that, the flavor of being best has come to me also, I think. Yeah, but he is the best. Neha is really, really, really sweet, and she's doing really, really, really well. Congratulations, Neha. I keep hearing about you a lot. Don't worry, you've got this. I can say it too. He's the best. Yes, yes, yes. I know he's the best. Made 0.6. Congratulations, B2. Guys, this is what you all need to do. You all need to start compounding your profits, your pips. So now, if B2 has made 0.6% here, and if his target is to make 1%, he'll just make 0.4% for New York Market Open, and then he'll be done. Start compounding your pips. Even if you're making 0.2%, 0.3% over here, guys, okay, we're gearing up for sells now. If you want to get into sells from the supply zone itself, you can start your sells till the demand zone. Sorry, for German 30, and for Nasdaq also we're trying, guys. But look at this chop over here. Wait for all of this chop to pass, and then maybe think of sells. Okay. Take a look at gold. Okay. Gold is slow. It is pushing up. It is going up. Is anyone trading gold? Philo. Okay, fine. Feelers don't hurt your account. If you all are trading feelers, absolutely go for it, do it. But anything more than that, okay, with this position on gold, I'm glad that you're on a feeler and you're being careful. Absolutely, that's amazing. Congratulations for that. But if someone was trading gold and wanted to get in on a bigger position as well, you could have from here. Okay, this zone to this. And how many pips do we need with our Corolla or with our Lambo? Maybe 5 to 6 pips. That's it. Depending upon the account that you have and the kind of risk management that you've gotten from Cram. That's what he does. He will give you everything that you need for trading, be it money management, risk management, and then you just have to practice and apply it. So if you're doing that, you could be in a Corolla as well, but I'm glad that you're in a feeler. Okay? GBP USD is not doing anything. Look at DAX, guys. We're trying to go down. We're still catching some buyers from here. Now this is not supply zone anymore. This is demand zone. Okay. We're catching some buyers from here, but we're breaking it down. You can start layering your positions from the supply zone itself for the sells. Look at Nasdaq. Choppy. Don't trade this. GBP USD, the moves will happen. I'm promising you that. Keep these levels with you. These moves are definitely going to happen, guys. Okay? Don't worry about that. But you're going to get these moves. Okay, guys, do you all have any questions? I'm done. I made what I had to make for the sessions. For this session, I'm done, and I'm going to be making some more for New York. But for now, I'm done. If there's any question, tell me. Had one of my best London sessions. Cheers, Cash. Thank you so much, Raul. I hope you made some. Thank you so much. Also, guys, you all have my levels right down here with you. After all of this chop goes away, and we have our 1 hour momentum opening up, which is in about 30-40 minutes. Then you can trade this. Okay, these levels are going to work out. I promise you that. Keep an eye on all these levels. I'm just going to show you my charts, and after that, I'm going to just close the session, and that's it, guys. This is gold. Obviously, the bigger positions are above our supply zone, but I told you all to start layering your positions from here. If someone was doing that, amazing. GBP USD, it's trying to make something else altogether. Okay, you all know what it's trying to make. I'm talking to one-on-ones. I'm not going to say anything. Okay, you all know what we're trying to do here, but we can get a good move on GBP USD. Okay, German 30 again. We will get some moves over here because German 30 before market open, it trades push and pull, push and pull, push and pull, and after that it just boom, it moves up and down like crazy. That's what DAX is trying to do right now. I would recommend you all to stay away from nasty. I'm saying that, okay? Stay away from Nasdaq. Don't trade Nasdaq right now. I don't want you all getting into this chop and losing your money. This was a big break of structure. If we get that, amazing. If not, then don't run after this because Nasdaq has amazing volume for New York market open, and I really love to trade Nasdaq during that time. Just try to focus on maybe German 30, gold, and GBP. That's it. Don't focus on Nasdaq. Moved my gold stop loss into profit. Break-even profits are always good. You don't need to lose any money. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. It was an amazing session. I banked my pips. I hope you all banked. We got 2 moves on gold and on German 30. I hope you banked your pips on that. Thank you so much, guys. You all are amazing. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me. I will see you all for New York. Bye, guys. Just